Good morning, good afternoon to all of you. Today we are going to tackle about or discuss the irregular plural noun. We are now at our week 5 of learning in the new normal. And just like what I have said, today we are going to learn irregular plural nouns. This lesson will focus on how to form the plural of frequently occurring irregular nouns. At the end of the lesson, you are expected to use the plural form of frequently occurring irregular nouns. Example given: children, feet, and teeth. Okay, so for today's lesson, we are just going to tackle about the most occurring, no, or the most frequently occurring irregular nouns. Now, what are irregular nouns? Irregular nouns are those nouns that uh, form their plural nouns by changing spelling or not even changing at all. What it means is uh, the regular plural form change or become plural form if we add es and s. However, the irregular noun doesn't form its plural form that way. So we have the example given: children, feet, and teeth. Children is the plural form of child. Feet is the plural form of foot. And teeth is the plural form of tooth. Now, I would like for you to get your notebook and answer this learning task number one. We are going to choose the plural form of each word. Write the letter of the correct answer in your notebook. Okay. Guys, this is just a test of how well you have known the irregular nouns. No? Uh, this is some sort of a diagnostic test about your understanding or your previous experience or encounter with irregular nouns. Okay, in answering this test, you are just going to write the letter of the correct answer in your notebook. So number one, we have criterion. The choices are criteria and criterions. Number two, we have foot, and the options are foots for letter A and feet for letter B. Number three, we have alumnus. The choices are letter A, alumna, letter B, alumni. Number four, we have loose. The choices are louses or B, lies. We have the fifth word, we have woman, and the choices are women or womans. Choose the correct plural form of the, uh, choose the correct irregular plural form for the given word. Okay? Okay. Now, here's another task. We are going to transform the following words into their plural form. Copy and answer it on your notebook. For the first word, we have oasis. The second word, we have apex. The third word, we have datum. Fourth word, we have ship. And the fifth word, we have focus. Okay, write those words in your notebook and transform them into irregular plural form. Now, for the third task, what we're going to do is to pick the correct plural form of the following irregular nouns. Again, You have to copy this one and write the correct answer in your notebook. Okay. For the first column, we have the singular noun, which is child. For the next column, we have the plural form, and you will choose on which of them is the plural form of the singular noun child. Is it childs or is it children? The same thing goes with the word die. What is the plural form? Is it dice or is it dice? The third word would be man. What is the plural form? Is it men or is it mans? The fourth word is an animal called ox. What is the plural form of ox? Is it oxen or oxes? For the number five, we have tooth. What is the plural form of tooth? Is it tooths or is it teeth? Okay? Copy and write the correct answer in your notebook. To sum it up, irregular plural nouns are nouns that do not become plural by adding s or es, as most noun in the English language do. You're probably familiar with many of these already. For example, the plural form of man is men and not mans. The plural form of woman is women and not womans. There are hundreds of irregular plural nouns, and in truth, you must memorize them through reading and speaking. However, there are some common patterns to look out for. Okay, guys, we have patterns. There are some words with obvious patterns on how to change singular noun to plural noun. And here are some of them. Nouns that change the vowels. Many English words become plural by changing their vowels, such as oo and e to an n, an on in. No? Or what I mean is such as o and e to an and n. Like for example, we have foot, which is singular, and the plural form will become feet. As you can see, there are the vowel change. From double O, it has become double E. From tooth, it became teeth. Again, from double O to uh, double E. We have also the goose. It will become geese. So there is this change in vowel. Number five, we have man. It will become men. The an has become n. Same goes with woman. That will become woman. So there are those changes in the vowels. Now another pattern that we could see is the following. Irregular nouns that change substantially for a variety of historical reasons. Some words change spelling substantially when made plural. Say, for example, we have the singular noun, which is mouse, and the plural noun will become mice. The singular noun die will become dice. The ox will become oxen, and the child will become children into their plural form. A person will become people. Now, there is an asterisk in people because it actually vary in the manner of how you will use the plural form. And lastly, we have this. We have irregular nouns that do not change at all when made plural. No, they remain at their original form even if they are made into plural. Some English nouns are identical in both singular and plural nouns of forms. Many of these names are for animals. Yeah. This is commonly used in animals. So we have the singular or plural, no changes there. We have the sheep, the fish, the deer, the moose, the swine, buffalo, shrimp, and trout. Now we have here the lists or examples or irregular nouns, no? Additional. So again, we have the change in spelling, which is children, child, children, mouse, mice, larva to larvae, ellipsis to ellipsis. We have vita to vitae. We have tuna. Oh no, this one on the second column, there is no change in spelling. The tuna will be tuna. The trout will be trout. Guys, trout is a the general term for fresh water fish. Now we have fish, which is also fish. Fowl will become fowl, and equipment will be equipment. Now for our fourth learning task, copy in your notebook and complete the sentence with the correct plural form of the nouns in the parentheses. Number one, the blank, the given word is sheep, cross the road. The farmer has 30 ox in his barn. Change ox into plural form. The larva will become beautiful butterflies. Change larva into plural form. There are many equipment in the warehouse. What is the plural form of the equipment? The desert animals get water from the oasis. Give the plural form of oasis. Again, you are going to copy this in your notebook and complete the sentence with the correct plural form of the nouns in the parentheses. Well, that's about it. Thank you for listening and thank you for watching. Hope to see you next time. Obviously, we will see each other next time. Uh, have a good day and thank you.